You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, oil pressure gauge, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.